Hi, it's Kat Black from Chestnut Park Real Estate. I wanted to talk to you today about duct cleaning. I think we all get those calls on the telemarketing system bothering us. But in all seriousness, it is something that's very vital to our homes, especially in Toronto with some of the homes being quite a bit older and it needs proper maintenance. Did you know actually that a residential home, the air handling unit needs to be cleaned once a year, and the supply duct every 2 years, and the return and exhaust duct again every 2 years. Recently, this home had the ductwork cleaning done, and it was discovered because air supply to one of the bedrooms upstairs was compromised. It was discovered through the service, actually having a camera going down the duct, that a duct was disconnected. So this is what's happened here. They've had to open up the ceiling and actually reconnect the ductwork before they could clean it. So that's why it's really important to make sure you're maintaining so you can actually catch things like this, and you'll save quite a bit on your energy bills in the long run. And it's a nice time to do it with heading into spring because it'll also impact your air conditioning.